What's going on, skids? In today's video I'm going to teach y'all how you can update your pastes to the latest Fortnite version or updating your offsets. So I just made a video on how you can update your UIs on PasterX, so go watch that. And then basically what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to open your offsets.h file, and then these are just some offsets. I literally just removed stuff so that they look old or whatever, like there's not even an X here, but anyway, what you're gonna want to do is just join the Discord server, go to FN offsets after verifying, make sure you verify, and thanks for 500 members. Just go ahead and copy everything in here, absolutely everything. Go back to Visual Studio, just do Control A to select all of it, go ahead and paste it here, and then you should have the new offsets. And if you build and you get some errors, it's usually the spelling. So like I'll just do this, so like I'll rename this to that, and then like player state to that. Like usually it's just spelling. So here's what will happen if I try and build right now. So I try and build, one failed. If we go to the error list, go to PasterX.c++, as you can see it says offsets has no member player state, but we do, we just renamed it. So what you're going to want to do is you're just going to take this, rename it to whatever it is in here. So it's player state, but it has a lowercase s, so just go ahead and replace that. And then root component, we did the same thing, and as you can see that fixes it. So if you have any errors like that, just change it like this, or you can come into here and you can change this to whatever it is in here, and either way it'll fix it. So that's basically all you gotta do to update your pastes. Now you can launch into Fortnite and they'll work again. So yeah, just join the server and stay in there if you need to update your pastes, because I post the latest offsets every time it updates. But yeah, so look forward to more videos. See ya.